shout out guys, another tutorial, another song. The song is from Anis again. The title of the song is Leave Me. So for the chords, two parts only for the chords. The first part is for intro, verses, chorus, and the other parts. And the second part for the chords is for the bridge part guys. Two parts only, two parts. Then we have a simple strumming pattern. And again, for my Filipino viewers, sa mga naghanap ng manipis na string, sa mga naghanap ng manipis na string hindi masakit sa kamay pang practice, dahil manipis, check nyo lang ang link sa baba guys sa manipis na string ito guys, hindi masakit sa kamay pang practice dahil manipis. At lemon oil para sa fretboard papakinis. Check Shopee link, check lang Shopee link sa description ng video na ito. Start tayo. Let's start guys with the string pattern. So, this is our simple string pattern. Down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Tayo natin the right timing. We need the right timing. Timing natin guys, timing. Down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up. Chords tayo, chords. First part, these are the chords that I used. Okay? So, F sharp minor. Then simple A, then B minor, and the C sharp. So a form of B but at the 4th fret, C sharp. Simple version. This is our simple version. That is for the first part. Let's play with the string pattern, guys. Let's play. Down, down, down. A, down, 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 down. This is our simple version. That is for the part. Let us sing, let us sing. I don't wanna hurt you. I don't wanna hurt you. Okay, repeat and repeat these chords for intro, verses, and choruses. And then let's proceed for the second part, for the bridge part, guys. Let's play the ending of second chorus. Ending muna ng second chorus before the bridge. Sorry. Ending of second chorus. So the chords are this. We have two lines. We have two lines for the bridge part. I'll show it first. Maybe not, maybe not. So the first line is D major 7. Okay, D major 7. So top. Bar lang natin itong tatlo, then bass note is D, okay? Then E, then hold A major 7 or A, simple A, okay? A or A major 7. That's the first line. And then second line, maybe D major 7 again, E, and then the last chord of second part or second line. Okay, so again, first line is D major 7, E, and A major 7. Then the second line, D major 7, E, A major 7, and then C sharp. That is the last chord. Okay, let's play with the string pattern, the bridge part. Me. Then bridge part. Maybe the bridge part. Hold A major 7 for the first line. Hold A major 7 for the first line. Then second line. Then C sharp. Okay, that is the bridge part. And then repeat the chords. Okay. So repeat these chords guys until the ending, okay? Hanggang magtapos or outro ng kanta, okay? Repeat these chords. So that's all guys. Yan na lahat. Ito na pinasimpleng version natin na play. Two parts lang para sa chords. First part is for the intro, verses, chorus at yung ibang part. And the second part is for the bridge part guys. Siyempre merong simple string pattern. Hanggang dito na video natin. At ulit pala sa mga naganap ulit ng manipis string, check lang ang Shopee link sa baba na sa description ng video na ito. Manipis ito, hindi masakit sa kamay pang practice. At mas maigi 2 set ang inyong bilhin guys para may backup kayo agad sa first or second string. Dahil itong unang napuputol after ng ilang months, ito una na paputol dito sa dalawa. So mas maigi kung 2 sets ang inyong bilhin pero para may backup ka agad. Dito man video natin. Shoutout. Bye bye. Na 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 na.